Hello guys, welcome to our grammar lessons. My best friends Maddie, Christy and Martin will help me make our lessons useful and enjoyable. Look at these cities: Milan, Tokyo, Los Angeles, Sydney, Barcelona, Beijing, London, Paris, Moscow. What countries are they in? Milan is in Italy. Tokyo is in Japan. Los Angeles is in the USA. Sydney is in Australia. Barcelona is in Spain. Beijing is in China. London is in the UK. Paris is in France. Moscow is in Russia. Read the facts about the people from these countries and complete the sentences. 1. They drive dangerously in the USA. 2. They dress very stylishly in the UK. 3. You can eat very well in France. 4. People in talk loudly. Italy. 5. They work hard in China. 6. People dance beautifully in Spain. 7. People speak very quietly in Japan. Good job! Now look at the highlighted words. What part of speech are these words? Adjectives or adverbs? These are adverbs. 1. What is an adverb? 2. How do we form adverbs? 3. What are their degrees of comparison? These are the questions we'll answer today. So, let's start. We use adjectives, прилагательные, to describe nouns, things. Adverbs help us to describe verbs, actions. Example: she is wearing a stylish dress. What dress? Stylish. Adjective: they dress very stylishly in the UK. They dress how? Stylishly. Adverb. Adverbs usually go after the verb. For example, you can eat very well in France. People in Italy talk loudly. Formation. We usually form an adverb by adding "ly" to the adjective. Examples: serious, seriously; quick, quickly; slow, slowly. Adjectives ending in "le" drop the "e" and take "y". For example, gentle, gently; terrible, terribly. Adjectives ending in consonant plus y change it to I and add ly. For example, easy, easily; cozy, cozily; healthy, healthily. Adjectives ending in l take ly. Examples: wonderful, wonderfully; careful, carefully. Not all words that end in ly are adverbs. The following words are the adjectives: a friendly atmosphere; a lively conversation; a motherly attitude; a cowardly behavior; a lonely house; a lovely garden. A silly question. An ugly view. Some adverbs don't end in ly and have the same form as adjectives. Best – лучший, лучше всего. Long – долгий, долго. Low – низкий, низко. Right – правильный, правильно. Wrong – неправильный, неправильно. Free – свободный, свободно. Hard – трудный, усердно. Near – близкий, близко. High – высокий, высоко. Straight – прямой, прямо. Examples. It is a late autumn now. Сейчас поздняя осень. She always comes late. Она всегда приходит поздно. He took a fast train to Paris. Он поехал на скором поезде до Парижа. He swims very fast. Он плавает очень быстро. The river is deep. Река глубокая. They went deep into the forest. Они зашли глубоко в лес. Let's practice the rules with Martin. Put the words in the correct column. Dangerous. Fast. Funnily. Happy. Hard. Lazy. Nice. Perfectly. Safely. Well. Now check yourselves. The adjectives are dangerous, happy, lazy, and nice. The adverbs are funnily, perfectly, safely. And words that can be both adjectives and adverbs are fast, hard, and well. Comparative and superlative forms of adverbs. Adverbs that have the same forms as their adjectives add er to form the comparative form of adverbs. To form the superlative form, we add est. Long, longer, the longest. Fast, faster, the fastest. Hard, harder, the hardest. Two-syllable or compound adverbs take more to form the comparative form of adverbs. Compound adverbs are adjectives plus ly, careful, carefully. To form the superlative form, we add the most. Often, more often, the most often. Quietly, more quietly, the most quietly. Patiently, more patiently, the most patiently. Let's look at the most common forms of irregular adverbs. Well, better, the best. Badly, worse, the worst. Little, less, the least. Much, many, a lot. More, the most. Far, farther, further. The farthest, furthest. Now it's time to practice the rule with Martin. Martin's marks weren't very good. He's thinking about what he can do to do better at school. 1. I will listen to the teacher more carefully. Carefully is a compound adverb. That's why we add more in the comparative degree. 2. I will work harder. Hard has the same form as an adjective. That's why we add er. 3. I will do my homework more regularly. Regularly is a compound adverb. That's why we add more in the comparative degree. 4. I will write more neatly. Neatly is a compound adverb. That's why we add more in the comparative degree. 5. I will behave better in class. Well is an irregular adverb. Well, better, the best. 6. I will take school more seriously. Seriously is a compound adverb. That's why we add more in the comparative degree. That's all for today. I hope the information was useful and informative to you. Watch our grammar lessons more often at videouroki.net, and you'll realize that grammar is interesting.